Hello everyone, my name's Mimi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking all about Ombre Blush and the products I use to get this beautiful peach pink ombre blush look that I have on my cheeks. And I'm going to be working with cream blush and showing you how to work with a less pigmented cream blush and an extremely pigmented cream blush while I do this look. I'm also going to show you two ways that you can achieve the ombre blush effect, as well as how to set cream blushes. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay, you are going to need for this ombre blush your foundation and your blush colors of choice. I'm going to be using this pink shade, which is called Dolly Rose by Revolution Beauty, and the Juvias Place Peach Rose color, this one. And this shade you can use straight because it's pigmented, but on my complexion it's a soft shade. So you're going to need, I'm going to dot this on my hand, back of my hand, just a little bit. It's a bright, pretty color, but it's easy to work with. And you're just going to put this, let me take off my glove. Oh no, I'll leave them on. I'm going to put this close, like that. See where that is? Now, take off my glasses so you can see. See where that is? And I'm going to use my magnifying mirror so I can continue to see. Right there, like that. And I'm going to show you two ways of doing this. I'm going to show you a way where you use both colors separately. So you're going to blend this one in first on the front part of your cheek. Like that. Now for the second color, the peach rose is super pigmented. It's hard to work with. This is the second color we're going to use in this ombre effect. And I'm going to put a dot of this on the back of my hand, not directly on your face. Don't put these blushes directly on your face. You'll use too much. And then to help blend this, I'm going to use mix it with a drop. Just a drop. Foundation. See? You want to tint the foundation the color of your blush, just like this. Keep a shade. Got some of that off my finger. And this one I'm going to put high, like this, up there. And I'm going to blend this one slightly into the pink. Keep it higher, go up next to my eye, like that. I'm going to put on my glasses so I can see. You see how it goes from the light pink to the darker pink, peach rose. Slightly under the eye. And you see how it ombres one side to the other? Now, the second way that you can do this effect is to take the first color, Dolly Rose, and put it, stamp it when you want it. And now you take the other color, the peach rose, you stamp that where you want it. And now you blend the two together immediately. So you start on this one, and as you blend back, you go into the Dolly Rose, the peach rose. Dolly Rose in the front. And I'm using the edge of my eye as the blending point. Right here. That line right there. Imagine there's a line. That's my blending point for the two colors. So that's how you do ombre blush with cream blushes. It's super, super easy to get that effect. You can see how it seamlessly blends from the lighter color to the bright color. And with the brighter color, it's easier to mix it with your foundation so that you don't overload your face. Just mix it on your hand. And that's ombre blush 2 ways, and how to work with cream blush. Alright, now that I have the rest of my makeup on, I've decided I wanted to intensify this a little bit more. And what I'm going to do, is cover this with some powder. I powdered my entire face, including the cream blush. So I'm going to use 2 colors. I'm going to use Primrose Promise. This is an organic powder blush from Forest Fields first. And then I'm going to go into the darker color, which is the Coquille Tender Blush, which is a bright orange. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. We're going to load the brush with a touch of this powder, shake off the excess, and we're going to put this where we put the light pink blush. So that's here, under the eye. And just pat it in where we put the pink. See how that brought the color back, saturated it close to the eye. And I like to put this actually under my eye, blend it up under my eye, because my glasses take up a lot of my cheek space. So we're going to put that there, and I'm going to do that to both sides first. Since I'm setting my makeup, just bring it up high under the eye. And also remember, my placement of blush will be different than yours. I place my blush to look good because I wear constantly wear my glasses. I do not wear contacts, so my makeup is done as if my eyeglasses are a feature of my face, because they are a feature of my face. I have to wear them, so that's why I do this. But the way you do gradient blush with this lighter color in the front and the deeper color up high will not change. Just the placement will change with the colors you use. Now that I've done that one and it's blended and set in really well, I'm going to use the darker color now to bring back that pop of orange on the upper part of my cheek. Just a summery flush of pink. So very pretty. If you liked my tutorial with cream blush and the techniques for setting it and working with it, and also how to do this beautiful peach pink ombre brush look, please give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. And if you didn't, give me a thumbs down and tell me how I can improve. My name's Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.